Welcome back, guys. Today we're bringing back Suze. We've got Bourbon and Apricot Liqueur. We're making a Haystack Cocktail. Now let's give it a little taste here. Oh, that is refreshing. Sour bourbon, that gentian up front, beautiful herbal, vegetal notes, and of course, nice fruit notes from the Apricot Brandy. What do you think? Who cares what you think? So let's make the Haystack Cocktail. As I mentioned, we're using Suze. It's a gentian liqueur. Use any you have. Bourbon, using Jim Beam Black Barrel. It's a good one. And we're using my homemade apricot liqueur. Click that link. All right, let's make the Haystack. So an ounce of gentian liqueur using Suze. It's probably the most popular one out there. Hard to find though. It took me like over a year to find this. Follow that up with 1 ounce of your bourbon. I'm using a Jim Beam Black. This was recommended to me by Carl at Alchemix Bar. He and Riley did a Jim Beam tasting recently. The link will be below. Go check them out. Make sure you subscribe. All right, follow that up with 1/2 ounce of Apricot Brandy. As I mentioned, this is a homemade Apricot Brandy. We have a link for that in the description down below. But any Apricot Brandy you have, any Apricot Liqueur will work just fine. 1/2 ounce. And last ingredient, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. The simple drink, 4 ingredients. Kind of got a sour vibe to it, but that gentian really gives it is front and center. All right, fill your glass with ice. I just love the color too, it's so yellow. Vibrant neon yellow. Flippy move, shake, 10-15 seconds. All right. Slap it to unseal. It's got a nice foam going to it. It's probably not going to stick around, but we're going to serve this in a coupe or Nick and Nora, a stemmed glass, basically. I'm going to double strain because I'm pretty sure I got lots of ice chips in there. Gave it a pretty hard shake. And into our chilled glass. And look at that color. I can't get over that color. It's amazing. For garnish, the recipe said a dried apricot. It looks nice. I don't really think it adds much to the drink. It's not going to give you any, so I would probably go with a lemon peel. At least that kind of aromatizes the top. But if you like eating dried apricots, then by all means, eat the apricot. And there it is, guys, the Haystack Cocktail. A really good Suze cocktail, nice and refreshing. Yeah, just a lovely drink. Stay tuned, guys. We got more fall drinks. I don't even know if this is a fall drink. It's kind of, either way. We got more coming up. And if you missed, last week we did pumpkin spice liqueur and pumpkin spice cocktails. Check those out. We'll see you next time. Cheers.